How you feel, pa?
Shit, I feel good.
Just low.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
Retake. How you feel now, pa? Now that you got your wristband, how official do you feel?
Pretty official. A ver qué pasa, man. It's you, right?
That's it.
It's you. You want approach?
Ah, la verga, 495, pa.
Official, Dad. A ver qué pasa.
What does 495 mean? I don't know.
That's armband.
Yes, sir.
June, what the fuck you do, nigga? Yeah, right. Got my mind on the clock, ain't nothing gonna stop me. Wasted time.
Hold on. Slap that shit.
Guacheando,
Las piezas se vienen acomodando. Confundido estaba, pero le voy agarrando. Poco a poco, paso a paso. Pacientemente estoy.
I see with another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be test running the Green Goblin. Pro Max expert here. What you gotta say, bro? You gotta take a pic. How you feeling, bro? Show him the wristband. Show him you ain't playing no games.
I'm playing no games.
He said, who want that smoke? He said, no slicks, but no pasa nada.
That's what we see.
We don't need slicks for this. Hey, bro, how you feeling, bro?
Yeah, I'm nervous, dog.
Hey, we're gonna go against a new B2. We're gonna see right now. Look at all these bad boys. Nobody playing games here. How you feel?
I'm sweating, dog.
I love it. Look at that. Yeah, pa. Hey, pro.
It's here for emotional support. Remember when the both two lights come up in the top?
Up next. Pressure. Oh, shit. They just parked right there where the Lamborghini was, I'm guessing. Go. I'm out of way. Right now, get ready to do the donut right here.
When that car goes, that's when you start doing the burnout. Right? When it tells you to go.
Yeah, my boy. What up, Jojo? How you feel, bro?
Fucking
Easy
first
dubs,
dub,
Steve.
easy dub.
Easy dubs, nigga. Currently we're 2-0. How you feel, bro? 2-0.
Shit, amazing.
I'm Sly. So we're gonna do a test run just to see. We got the pro driver right here, just to see we can got the fastest run. What do you think we're gonna get, pa? He has no dead weight. He only weighs 60 pounds.
Con la mierda que traigo, unos 9.4.
A la verga. We're gonna raise a G6. So let's get it though.
Oh, nah, it just overheated. It just throws it.
Watch out, wait, just watch out.
One of the souls came up.
Fast boy Parlance, what you run on this one?
871, my boy.
Ah, la verga.